I like your music, even if I can't follow it, I can't hear what it is that is being said, but it's beautiful, but it's a sign of the changing times, and we must support your talent. And what I saw, the singing that I saw here, would rival with any singing anywhere in any capital of the world. And for that, I thank you very much. And for that, probably even before I go too far, I would want to say that one of the first things I'm going to do as a governor is to ensure that before my time comes to an end, in the next few years, that we must have a talent academy. And so, when we are now starting the budgetary process. I'm going to put resources for our talent academy in the budget, and they are going to be substantial resources. This should include a smaller version of Bombers of Kenya in this county. I also noticed that you did a football tournament on Sunday. And I want to tell you, and I like what the other lady said, that in this county we appear as if we are only looking for football. And yet, for those of you who are around in 1968, you know that the first person to get a gold medal in Kenya in athletics was from Kisii, not Rift Valley. What does that tell you? It tells you that, and the first people to start running were from Kisii. You know, Nyandika Mayoro and others. So what am I saying? I'm saying that if Kisii was the first Kenyan to get a gold medal in the Olympics, then it tells you that we have people, and that was Naftali Temu in the 1968 Mexico Olympics. So it tells you that we have talent in this county, talent that is untapped. And therefore, my suggestion, and now what I'm telling you, Chief Officer and the Director of Youth, is that you must put a day before the end of this year where we're going to have a talent week so that we can decide how we are moving forward. A talent week fully funded by the Kisii County government. Ladies and gentlemen, I heard you, I think it was Brenda Mageto who suggested about the Talent Week. I have related to you. The other issue of the Talent Academy was also raised by Valerie Bosibori. I heard you and I took note of that, and we are going to ensure that all that is in place. So that our good dancers that we see here, our artists, those of us who feel that they are discriminated, the deaf and the blind. If you heard the president of the disabled speak here, His Excellency Kennedy Nyambega, because if you are the president, you must be His Excellency. If you heard him speak and he was putting on glasses, you wouldn't think that those words disabled actually relate to him. So these are people who have talent, these are people who have the knowledge, and we must also give them an opportunity to showcase it. And as a county government, I'm becoming more and more, having listened to you and come here, I'm becoming more and more convinced that we need to put more resources into this.